Microsoft just shipped something a lot of developers quietly wanted for years: real Linux command line tools running natively on Windows. It's called Coreutils for Windows, and it brings the commands you already know: ls, cp, grep, find, straight to the Windows shell. No WSL, no virtual machine, no translation layer, just the same utilities you use on Linux and Mac, installed with a single command. And here's the twist: Microsoft didn't write these from scratch. They built it on top of an open source Rust project that has been quietly rewriting the classic Unix toolset for years. So what we're looking at here is a big company leaning on the open source community, polishing the result, and handing it to millions of Windows developers. Let's open up the repository and see what's actually inside. So what exactly is Coreutils for Windows? It's a Microsoft-maintained package that bundles Unix-style core utilities into a single binary you can run anywhere on Windows. Under the hood, it pulls together 3 open-source projects from the Utils organization. First, Coreutils, the Rust rewrite of the classic GNU core utilities, things like ls, cat, cp, and sort. Second, findutils, which gives you find and locate. And third, a fresh grep implementation for fast text searching. Microsoft takes those projects, compiles them for Windows, wraps them in a proper installer, and ships the whole thing through winget. The entire project is MIT licensed, and the source is right there on GitHub, already sitting at over 3,700 stars. This isn't a fork that vanishes into a Microsoft black box. It's a thin, transparent distribution layer sitting on top of community-built tools, and the upstream projects keep getting the improvements that flow back from this work. Getting it running is almost anticlimactic. You open PowerShell, run a single win git command, and a minute later the tools are on your path. From there, it just works. You type ls and you get a real ls with the flags you expect: cp, mv, rm, cat, word count, sort, head, tail. They'll all behave the way they do on Linux. Pipe them together and your muscle memory carries straight over. Grep searches the way you'd want it to, find walks directories the way you'd want it to, and every single utility supports a standard help flag, so you're never left guessing about an option. Microsoft even handles the annoying cross-platform stuff transparently, like converting Windows-style line endings on the fly so your text processing doesn't choke on a stray carriage return. For anyone who has ever fumbled a script because Windows simply didn't have the right command, this is a small quality of life upgrade that adds up fast over a working week. Here's the bigger picture, and it's the real reason Microsoft bothered to build this at all. Modern developers don't live inside one operating system. You might write code on a Mac, test it in a Linux container, deploy it to a cloud server, and debug it on a Windows laptop, all in the same afternoon. Every time you cross one of those boundaries, the little differences in shell commands add friction. A flag that doesn't exist over here, a tool that's named something else over there, a script that runs fine on the build server and falls apart on your machine. Coreutils for Windows erases a big chunk of that friction. The same commands, the same flags, and the same pipelines now behave identically across Linux, Mac, WSL, containers, and native Windows. Your scripts carry over without translation. Your documentation stays accurate no matter which machine someone is sitting at. It's not a flashy headline feature. It's the kind of quiet consistency that removes 100 tiny paper cuts from your week and lets you stop thinking about which platform you're on. Let's put some numbers on it. The project is written primarily in Rust, with PowerShell and the installer scripting making up most of the rest. It's MIT licensed, so there's no catch on using it commercially or bundling it into your own tooling. It has already pushed past 3,700 stars on GitHub, and it landed its very first public release only recently, which means this is genuinely new and moving quickly. And because it leans on the Utils projects upstream, it inherits years of careful work re-implementing the entire GNU toolset in a memory-safe language, with all the security and reliability benefits that come with that choice. That's a remarkable amount of engineering mileage for a tool you can install in under a minute. Now, a few honest caveats, because this is new software and you should go in with clear eyes. First, the project is explicitly in preview. It's early, and behavior can change between releases, so it's not something to wire into critical production scripts just yet. Second, it expects a modern PowerShell. You'll want version 7.4 or newer, and ideally 7.6 for the cleanest experience. Third, it deliberately does not ship every command. Tools that lean too heavily on POSIX internals, things like dd, chown, and uname, are intentionally left out because they simply don't map cleanly onto how Windows works. And speaking of mapping, there are no POSIX signals here. And file permissions use Windows Access Control lists rather than the permission bits you'd see on Linux. None of this is a deal breaker. It just means Coreutils for Windows is a thoughtful compatibility layer, not a magic wand that turns Windows into Linux. Knowing where the edges are makes it far more useful. You might be wondering, doesn't WSL already do all of this? And it's a completely fair question. WSL gives you a full Linux environment running right alongside Windows. A real kernel, a real distribution, the whole system. That's genuinely powerful, but it's also heavy. You're effectively booting an entire Linux machine just to run ls in a folder. Coreutils for Windows takes the opposite approach. There's no Linux underneath at all. These are native Windows binaries that simply happen to speak the Unix command language. That means no virtual machine overhead, no separate Linux file system to reason about, and your commands operate directly on your normal Windows files and paths. To be clear, WSL is still the right tool when you need genuine Linux compatibility, real Linux binaries, or a full development environment. But for the everyday case where you just want the familiar commands in your normal terminal, this is lighter, faster to reach for, and a whole lot simpler. Coreutils for Windows is one of those rare tools that's both deeply nerdy and genuinely practical. It's Microsoft embracing open source in the most useful way possible, taking a community Rust project, polishing the rough edges, packaging it cleanly, and shipping it to millions of Windows developers through a single install command. If you bounce between operating systems all day, or you've ever wished your Windows terminal just spoke Linux, it is absolutely worth a look. The repository and the official documentation are both linked down in the description. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, consider subscribing. We cover a new open source tool worth knowing every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.